Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to the handwriting lesson for today. And I just noticed as I'm looking at while I'm filming this does not really look like a snake, but I can assure you it's supposed to be a snake. And the reason it's a snake is because today we are working on the letter S. S, snake. So when we go to our alphabet chart, we will find the letter S here, and you will look at it and say SS, snake, and the sound that letter makes, snake. Okay, I tried to make my snake like the one on our alphabet chart. It doesn't look like it, but it's supposed to be. So let's just pretend. Okay, so the letter S is one of those fun letters to make, and it's also a fun sound to make as well. Well, boys and girls, here it is. I was like, what did I do with my marker? Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to begin by making sure that we have our pencil in our hands correctly so that we are sure that we're ready to practice our handwriting. And you want to start by getting your pinchers, pinch, pinch, pinch. You're going to pinch your pencil and push it back. And when you do, you're going to have this space here. You're flexible, so you're ready to write here. And remember, your other hand should be used to put your hand on the paper as you write. Okay? So every letter, with every letter in the alphabet, there is an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter. This is the uppercase letter S. It's like that adult letter S. And here is the lowercase letter S, like the kid S. All right, so we're going to begin by practicing with our uppercase letter S. And it's so easy peasy. We're going to just go around like a snake. Easy peasy. Around like a snake. Around like a snake. And we're practicing our uppercase letter S right here, so we're going to make sure that we start at the top and go down to that bottom line. Around like a snake. Around like a snake. Are you guys practicing too? You better be. Make sure that you have your pencil in your hand and you're writing, and you're really thinking hard about the letter that you're writing and the sound that letter makes. Boys and girls, what sound does the letter S make? Good job. You're right. S. All right. So let's do it 2 more times for our capital letter S. Around like a snake. Around like a snake. We have done a good job with our capital letter S's, and you did a good job not making fun of this snake. So since you've done such a good job, I think we should take a break and give our brains a kiss. That's right. You got to reward yourself, and you've got to acknowledge when you're doing good. Okay, so now we're going to work on the lowercase letter S. And the lowercase letter S is just the same as the uppercase, except it's smaller. And what we're going to do is we're going to go around like a snake, just like we would with our uppercase, except you notice that it is smaller, okay? Around like a snake, around like a snake, around like a snake, around like a snake. And this is very important to make sure that you're practicing writing all of the letters in all of your handwriting lessons to make sure that you are writing your letters the correct way. Around like a snake. Around like a sneaky snake. And we could keep going and going, but now what we're going to do is we're going to put for on our third line our uppercase and lowercase together. And when we do that, we're going to make sure that we're holding our pencil correctly and that we're thinking about the letter that we're writing, and we're also thinking about the sound that the letter makes. All right, so we have our capital letter S around like a snake, and our lowercase letter s around like a snake. It's just smaller. It's okay, little baby. Okay, so we're going to do it again. Around like a snake. And for our lowercase s, around like a snake. It's just smaller. Let's do it one more time. Around like a snake. Around like a snake. And we have our capital letter S and our lowercase letter s. And I just want to say something real quick. So there are 5 days in a week, right? So there's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So Monday and Tuesday this week we're doing the same letter, practicing the letter F. Wednesday and Thursday practicing the same letter S. And then on Friday you practice both together, okay? Just wanting you to make sure that you're watching the videos throughout the whole week so that you're practicing every day. And this isn't supposed to take long. We only spend just a little bit of time with our practice, and then we move on to our other work, okay? But you're welcome to practice as much as you want, of course. I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will see you back for another handwriting lesson tomorrow. Bye, guys.